When everyone comes into this clinic, every patient will be getting the highest level of stem cells available in the world. Our first thing is always safety. So we make sure all of our cells are safe, all of our cells are tested, and there truly are no adverse side effects to this because it's your own cellular material. But we view this as kind of the first step of medicine. So if you can do this and natural and there's no side effects, there's no downside to this. Stem cells are legal basically in the majority of countries in the world, not all. It's the regulations that differ per country. And then we can just do a much higher level of lab work than you can do in the United States. So we take it about 2 or 3 steps further so that when the person's own stem cells are going back in them, it's just a much healthier cell, a much more sterile cell, a much more active cell so that it can go to the affected area of the body and treat the ailment of the patient. We're dealing with one of the top 3 to 5 people in the stem cell industry in Dr. Anand Srivastava. He's been involved in this industry for 25 to 30 years. This is not new science to us at all. This is actually evolving science that we've walked along the way. In fact, he's done clinical trials in India, he's done clinical studies in other places. We spared no expense in building this and making sure that we have the highest level of technology and science in the industry. We have put together the best laboratory that I've seen in the stem cell industry and that a lot of other doctors who have come in and seen our laboratories have seen in the world. We have our own proprietary science. We have bought equipment that's proprietary to our science. When everyone comes into this clinic, every patient will be getting the highest level of stem cells available in the world. We have one of the best microbiologists that we've ever met in the stem cell industry, and that's the most important because there's a lot of people doing stem cells, but there's not a lot of people that know how to do the things that we do and base it on science that's 30 years in the making and has evolved to the point of where we are setting the standard for all stem cell companies in Latin America and, for that matter, the world.
MTC is with you every step of the way. For your medical or dental trip, contact MTC today.